Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So if we want to understand Bhagavad Gita, then we must understand in the same way as the person who directly heard from it. This is called parampara. Suppose I have heard something from my spiritual master, so I speak to you the same thing. So this is parampara system. You cannot imagine what my spiritual master said. Or even if you read some books, you cannot understand unless you understand it from me. This is called parampara system. You cannot jump over to the superior guru, I want to say, neglecting the next acharya, immediate next acharya. Just like our this Guru, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's cult. We cannot understand Chaitanya Mahaprabhu directly. This is not possible. We have to understand through the Goswamis. Therefore you will find in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, at the end of every chapter, the writer says, Rupa Raghunatha Pade, what is that? Krishna Das. Rupa Raghunatha Pade Sadajar As, Chaitanya Charitamrita Kahe Krishna Das. This is the process. It does not say that I have understood Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu directly. No, that is not understand. That is foolishness. You cannot understand what is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Therefore, repeatedly he says, Rupa Raghunatha Pade Sadajar As Chaitanya Charitamrita Kahe Krishna. I am that Krishna Das, Kaviraj, who is always under the subordination of the Goswamis. This is parampara system. Similarly, Narottam Das Thakur also says, Eichaya Gosai Jar Taramuni Das. I am servant of that person who has accepted the 6 Goswamis as his master. I am not going to be servant of any other person who does not accept the way and means of. Therefore we say, we offer our prayer to our spiritual master, Rupanuga Varayate. Rupanuga Varayate. Because he follows Rupa Goswami, therefore we accept spiritual master. Not that one has become more than Rupa Goswami or more than, no. Tadero charana sevi bhakta sane vas. This is the parampara. Now here the same thing is repeated. Arjuna, who directly heard from Krishna. Sometimes some people say it is Askalda that Arjuna heard directly from Krishna, but we don't find Krishna in our presence. So how can I accept? But it is not the question of directly presence. Because you have no idea of the absolute knowledge, Krishna's words, Bhagavad Gita, is not different from Krishna. It is not different from Krishna. When you hear Bhagavad Gita, you are directly hearing from Krishna, because Krishna is not different. Krishna is absolute. Krishna, Krishna's name, Krishna's form, Krishna's quality, Krishna's instruction, everything Krishna, they are all Krishna. They are all Krishna. This has to be understood. They are not different from Krishna. Therefore Krishna's form here, he is Krishna. He is not a statue, he is a marble statue, no. He is Krishna. He has appeared before you because you cannot see Krishna. he can see stone, wood. Therefore he has appeared in that form. You think that it is stone and wood, but he is not stone and wood. He is Krishna. This is called absolute truth. Similarly, Krishna's words are also not different from Krishna. When Krishna's words are there in the Bhagavad Gita, it's Krishna. Just like the South Indian Brahman. As soon as he opened, he was illiterate. He could not read Bhagavad Gita. But his Guru Maharaj said that you shall read every day 18 chapters of Bhagavad Gita. So he was puzzled. I am illiterate, I cannot read. All right, take Bhagavad Gita. So, he was in the Naganath temple. He took the Bhagavad Gita and like this. He could not read. So, his friends who knew him, they were joking. Well, Brahmin, how you are reading Bhagavad Gita? He did not answer because he knew that his friends are joking me because I do not know him, illiterate. But when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, he was also surprised. The Brahman, he was reading Bhagavad Gita. He said, Sir, I am illiterate. I cannot read. It is not possible. But my Guru Maharaj ordered me to read. What can I do? I have taken this book. This is staunch follower of Guru's word. He is illiterate. He cannot read. There is no possibility. But his Guru Maharaj ordered, you must read Bhagavad Gita daily, 18 chapters. Now, what is this? This is called Vyavasatmika Buddhi. I may be quite incomplete. It doesn't matter. But if I try to follow the words of my Guru Maharaj, then I become complete. This is the secret. Jasya Devi Parabhakti Jatha Devi Tatha Guru. If one has staunch faith in the Supreme Personality of Godhead and as much faith in the Guru, Jatha Devi Tatha Guru, then the revealed scriptures become manifest. It is not the education. It is not the scholarship. It is faith in Krishna and Guru. Therefore Chaitanya Chaitamrita says, Guru Krishna Kripa Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. Not by education, but by scholarship. Never says. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Guru Krishna Kripa. By the mercy of Guru, by the mercy of Krishna. It is the question of mercy. It is not the question of scholarship or opulence or richness. No. The whole Bhakti Marga depends on the mercy of the Lord. So we have to seek the mercy. Athapite deva padamujadam prasada lesanu grihita evahi janati tattam. Prasada lesha. Lesha means fraction. One who has received a little fraction of mercy of the Supreme, he can understand. Others, nachana ekopi chirang vichanna. Others, they may go on speculating for millions of years. It is not possible to understand. So, Bhagavad Gita, as it is, that we are presenting. Because we are presenting Bhagavad Gita as it was understood by Arjuna. We do not go to Dr. Radhakrishna, this scholar, that scholar, this rascal, that. No. We do not go. That is not our business. That is parampara. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,